IBS, Industrialized Building System, refers to a technique of construction whereby components are manufactured either on-site or off-site and placed, assembled into construction work. There are 5 commonly used IBS types in Malaysia, which are precast concrete framing, steel framework, prefabricated timber framing, steel framing, and block work systems. Loma apartment is located at Sweden, designed by Foja architect. It has a total built area of 3,000 square meters and using of precast concrete framing, panel and box systems, IBS systems. There are 3 types of beam used in apartment: T-beam, L-beam, and rectangular beam. There are 1 type of span of dimension for the T-beam and 2 types for the L-beam and rectangular beam. The entire beam is 400 mm depth. There are 3 types of column we used for the apartment, which are one-way column, two-way column, and three-way column. The entire column used is 300 mm thick with 200 mm projecting corbel. The shallow foundation is often known as footings. It's normally used for housing project. It is built cast in situ with the welded rib cage as reinforcement. The footing is embedded within 1 meter deep in the soil, supporting the structure above by connecting the stump to the column. The thickness of the footing used to support the 3 floors building is 20 to 25 cm thick with the size of 1.2 meter. Hollow core slab is a well-designed floor slab with high efficiency. Only half amount of concrete is used compared to the other floor slab, and it can reach the span until 12 meters. The floor slab is connected to the beam by sitting on the T-beam and L-beam. There's no projecting reinforcement in the hollow core slab. Therefore, the top of some core are removed to insert rebars and receive the rebars from the beam. The gap is eventually grounded, so there is a positive tie between the beam and the slab. Slab-to-slab connection is done by using 3-to-1 sand and cement grouting. Precast wall is connected to beam using steel plate. Steel plate cast into the wall during precast process. First, grout is filled at the bottom of the wall. After that, loose fill plate is welded to the cast-in steel plate to make the wall straight and stable. For the wall-to-column connection, grout is filled at the side of the wall. After that, loose fill plate is welded to the cast-in steel plate for the horizontal moment connection. Gusset plates are thick sheets of steel that are used to connect beams and truss members. A gusset plate can be fastened to a permanent member either by bolts, rivets, or welding, or a combination of the 3. The bolts must be ordered separately. The bolt is installed directly flush to concrete wall and it must be installed in pairs. The diagonal bracing is placed to end vertical of butterfly roof trusses. Berlin function as a form of support for rafters and are horizontal structural members in a building. They are used to increase roof spans without the need for increasing rafter sizes or compromising wall stability. The calculation of the precast concrete wall with size 4.5 meters x 2.6 meters with the thickness of 0.15 meters multiplied together to get the volume of 1.76. The volume is then multiplied with density of 2,400 kg per meter cube to get the mass of the concrete wall of 4,212 kg. The mass is then multiplied with the energy coefficient, which is 2 megajoules per kg for the precast concrete, and the answer will be the embodied energy. Therefore, the selection of materials will directly influence the embodied energy, which will then affect the sustainability of the design. However, most stakeholders only focusing on the operational energy used for the buildings to achieve sustainable design. By choosing IBS system, the process of achieving sustainable design will be much more easier compared to the conventional construction. Thank you.